Hello YouTube family, I hope everyone is doing fine. Today I'm sharing a brand new recipe made with all fresh ingredients. I call this one my Annatto chicken rice, or my one pot yellow rice with chicken. Thank you for joining me on Caribbean Ducks. Let's get started. And if you're new, please remember to smash that subscribe button. So here's our ingredients for our marinade, our seasoning. Just about everything you can think of. It's in this. This is my go-to marinade and seasoning. Could cook just about anything. I call it my all-purpose Caribbean seasoning. Unlike sofrito, which is used for this recipe, I added a lot more ingredients, so it's gonna be layers and layers.
And I'm telling you, this is amazing. This tastes great. Oh gosh.
So now we're gonna heat up our pan after we marinate our chicken for about 30 minutes in our all-purpose seasoning, and we're gonna put it in the hot oil to fry and brown. So we're gonna partially cook the chicken only, halfway through, and we're gonna brown it so it locks in all the flavor. And we're gonna make sure that we rotate it. Here's our seasoning chicken. We're gonna make sure that we rotate it so all the sides are brown evenly. Keep in mind that we're not cooking this chicken all the way through, only about halfway through the cooking process. So we're not exactly frying this chicken to be done. The rest of the cooking will be done in the one pot style rice. The rice that we're going to use is our long grain basmati brown rice. This is a very sturdy, hearty rice that wouldn't mash. It stays nice and whole and fluffy. And what we're going to do here is wash our rice. We're going to rinse it out several times until the water runs clear. Just set that to the side. So our chicken is cooking up just fine, and we're going to turn it on the side to make sure all the sides are evenly cooked. So it's been about 4 minutes on each side. We're going to remove it and drain out all the excess oil. And here's our annatto oil that I made from the annatto from our tree in the yard. We're going in with about 2 tablespoons of annatto oil and 2 tablespoons of our all-purpose green seasoning. A tablespoon and a half of tomato paste, and we're gonna render that down, cook it so some of that rawness comes out of it, and it releases all its flavor. And now we're gonna go in with our rice. No liquid at this point. What we want to do is for this rice to absorb all the seasoning, all the flavor gets right into the rice and coat that rice. And this is what you should look like. Look at the beautiful rich color here. Now I'm going in with about 1.5 cups of water, and this water is just what I use to rinse out my seasoning bowl. I just made a batch of seasoning, so I'm using the water from the bowl. Nothing goes to waste. And now we're gonna salt to taste, a little bit at a time until we get the right amount of salt. Now we add our chicken right on top of the rice and bring it up to a boil. Here it is, folks. So for this recipe, you don't need to be stirring this around much. So what we're gonna do is gently move it around so it's not burning on the bottom. And this is the only time that we're gonna stir this one pot. Now we're gonna cover it down and lower the heat on low, very low, and let it basically steam and cook that rice. So after about 20 minutes on very low heat, our rice, a one pot yellow rice and chicken is done. Simple and easy recipe, guys. Our chicken and rice are fully cooked with lots of layers of flavor. The rice is nice and loose and fluffy and full of layers of flavor. Garnish with some chopped chives and a little bit of weary pepper. And we're ready to dig into this lovely, juicy, flavorful chicken rice. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Please give it a try. Let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.
Enjoy Sunday lunch on Caribbean duck. Wow, you all should really taste this. Cooked with the guy himself, Sandy. Voila. Good. Come in here all the time to eat.
You're welcome anytime, you know.
I know.
You have no excuse now.
Wow.
You have the days off.
This is so good.
That's okay. You look fine. You look fine.
Hello to my boys I'm in Guyana. This is Mahesh from Maikoni.
Yes.
Living in Fort Lauderdale now.
Caribbean duck says.
Caribbean duck says. That's alright, especially to my wife.
What's her name?
Big thank you, Rani Prasad.
Alright.
Thank you, baby. Love you always.
Yeah. Special shout out to my friend Ram, who sent us these beautiful pictures, and our friends from Guyana leave us some memorable pictures. Here's a scene from our beautiful country, Guyana. Hope this brings back some memories for you guys. Once again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Have a wonderful day and stay tuned for new recipe coming soon.